In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AWS architecture diagram in draw.io. By the end, you'll know how to enable the AWS icon libraries, place services on your canvas, and connect them into a clear architecture diagram. Start by heading to the draw.io website. You may also see it referred to as diagrams.net, and that's fine. It's the same tool. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard, and then on your drawing board. This is your workspace for building the diagram. Look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll to the very bottom and click the More Shapes option, the one with the small plus icon. This opens the Shapes window, which is where draw.io keeps its different libraries of icons and components. In the Shapes window, focus again on the left sidebar. You'll see categories like Standard, Software, and Networking. Our attention is on networking because that's where the AWS libraries live. Under Networking, you'll find several AWS options that are perfect for architecture diagrams. You'll notice libraries labeled AWS 17, AWS 18, AWS 2025, and AWS 3D. Click each one to preview what's inside. Take a moment to scroll through so you can see the variety of service icons, from compute and storage to databases and networking. When you find the sets you want to use, toggle the checkbox next to each library so it shows as checked. Then click Apply. This adds those AWS libraries to your main left sidebar so they're always within reach while you work. Back in your workspace, open one of the AWS sections in the sidebar. Hover over any icon to see its name and make sure you're choosing the right service. When you're ready, drag an icon onto your canvas. Repeat this for as many services as you need. There's no limit, and you can always rearrange them later for a clean layout. To connect services, select a shape and look for the small arrow handles around it. Drag from an arrow to another shape to create a connector. Draw.io will snap lines into place and help you keep everything tidy. If a connector isn't aligned how you like, you can adjust it or reroute it so the diagram remains easy to read. And that's it. You've enabled the AWS libraries, placed the right icons, and connected them into an architecture diagram. You've successfully created an AWS architecture diagram in draw.io. Great job, and congratulations.